All right, my YouTube family. This video is on the fixing of the MDS on the Hemi 5.7 liter engine in Dodges, whether it's a Ram 1500, Challenger, Charger. I have a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi 4x4. Here's my receipt of my work that I got done. Now I just got some stuff covered up, a little information, but here's the date that it was in. Well, here's the date that I took it, and that's the date that I picked it up. So I took it the 18th of December, right before New Year's 2017. I picked it up 2 days later. And here is my engine. Like I said, I stated I have a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab SLT 4x4. And as you see right here, I'm going to read general concern. This is what I was telling them. There is a ticking, rattling noise from engine when coasting to a stop at 20 miles per hour and eco light is on. So basically when the truck was in eco mode and I was coasting to a stop sign or to a stoplight, and mainly at night, but I heard it all the time, but mainly at night because it's more quieter, it's not a lot of people really out and about. And when I have cars on the side of me on the street, left or right, or, buildings, or the noises, bouncing off privacy fences, the noise. This is what I was hearing. As I told him, reading again, it says, customer states there is a ticking, rattling noise from engine when coasting to a stop at 20 miles per hour and eco light is on. So basically when it's in eco mode and I'm coasting, and it generally starts at 20 miles per hour when my foot is off the accelerator and it's just coasting. Same thing that says customer states there's a ticking rattling noise from engine when coasting to a stop at 20 miles per hour. Okay, basically they fixed it. This is what they did right here. This is all the parts that they did. This is all the parts they did. I'm trying to hold my phone steady. This right here, this is the miles that I got. I've been having my truck for about like a year, maybe 2-3 months, probably 4 months. I got it with 57,000 miles, one owner. I was very blessed to find it. Whoever had it before me kept it up in decent shape, but after, because I got about in the winter, when it came summertime, I started noticing this sound because I'm riding more with the windows down. But here's my miles, and here's what they put. When the MDS activates, a lifter rattler can be heard from the engine. Remove the cylinder heads and found the internal portion of the MDS lifter has spun, causing slow engagement of the MDS system. This is what they did now. Replace the lifter's packs and reinstall the cylinder heads, intake and exhaust, fill coolant and oil, test, drove, good, lifter, rattler no longer occurs. And I do have to give them that. I do not hear it. The same places where I heard it at before I took it in, I went to the same spots where I know there's a lot of cars on the side, and I know it's a quiet neighborhood, so I definitely would hear it at night, and it has went away. And I'm still listening for it to make sure that it's really fixed, but it is fixed. So I give them that. Here's parts, labor. Here's total everything. Now I still had I purchased a aftermarket warranty that is just like the factory warranty. So I didn't pay this. I didn't pay that. My warranty paid for everything. They took care of everything. So you get a used car, truck, make sure you get an aftermarket warranty that's bumper to bumper, somewhat like the factory warranty, just in case you bump into any engine electrical problem that you don't have to come out of pocket for it. I mean, they paid for my rental car and everything. I was cool. So, but like I said, this video is basically for those that is having this problem in their Dodges or their Rams with the 5.7 Hemi engine. And when eco mode kicks on, it makes a rattling noise. That's what I was dealing with. But I believe and I thank God I found the root of the problem. So once again, here's the parts that they did. I'm gonna just hold it steady so my fellow YouTubers can look at what they changed. And once again, I'll read it again. When the MDS activates, a lifter rattler can be heard from the engine. Remove the cylinder heads and found the internal portion of the MDS lifter has spun, causing slow engagement of the MDS system. Replace the lifter's packs and reinstall the cylinder heads, intake and exhaust. Fill coolant and oil. Test drove good. Lifter rattle no longer occurs. So whatever your dealership, wherever you're taking it, say they can't find them, they can't find the problem, that's the problem. The MDS lifter so has spun, causing slow engagement. So as the guy told me in layman's term, that it was kicking in good, but when it was kicking out slow, so it was causing this rattling noise. And like I said, once again, that's the date I took it in and the date I picked it up. Today is the 5th of January 2018. So I just haven't had no time to put this video on, but I wanted to do it as soon as I could, and I just been working like a Hebrew. But here it is, ladies and gentlemen, and gentlemen and ladies. So anybody with a Dodge, whether it's a Challenger or a Charger or Ram, anything with the 5.7 Hemi, once again, there goes my engine right there. Like I said, I have a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT crew cab 4x4. The problem is fixed. So this is it. So hopefully this will help out my peoples, because I'm thinking the same way that my people is thinking. I got this beautiful truck with decent miles, but it's making this horrendous, terrible, kind of sound like Charles Barkley, terrible. Nah, just making a nasty noise that, I mean, you get used to it because you're driving it, but it irritates you and you just want to get rid of it. So, like I said, there it is right there in a nutshell. I pray and hope that you all get your trucks or cars fixed and get this engine under control, because, I mean, it's nasty. So that's it. That's it right there. That's what fixed my MDS. That's what fixed it. Alrighty. Signing out. Happy New Year. Go Chiefs.